Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. For those who are here new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So I just got off work and I kind of want to show you guys the mess that is packing. We're moving and I kind of wanted to make a video of come pack with me in a realistic way. I've made a lot of clickbaity type of videos in the past trying to like show, you know, an aesthetic or a perfect way of packing as a minimalist, and I'm just so over it. I just don't want to do that anymore. So I wanted to share with you guys a more realistic packing of what it's like, where you do have things that are functional and you do have more things that like are clutter, I guess, but are like useful. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. Come pack with me, and it's realistic. If I do have some stuff that I'll let go of, I'll show you guys, but I don't imagine it to be much. But yeah, so come pack with me. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. So here's my luggage. This is not the carry-on, this is like the regular size luggage, and I have some fresh laundry here that's already folded. I think I should open this part up as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna be filling that up, and I still have the clothes in my closet which I need to take out and pack as well. Let me turn on the light. Yeah, so that's what that's looking like. And I do have some pieces I'm gonna be letting go of. I have this one gym shirt that's like super ratty, and I'm just like, I'm so over it. And I had problems letting go of certain items because I felt like I couldn't, you know, buy new things. So it kept me holding on to ratty stuff, but I'm just not about that anymore. One of the issues that I had before was that I couldn't declutter something because I couldn't buy something, so I would just go into a deficit, and it was just like a really bad cycle. But now that I've given myself permission to buy new things, I've actually gotten a lot healthier perspective on letting things go that are like, you know, you can let go of certain things. You know, for me, I had a very strict criterion of things that I decluttered. It had to be like completely wasted and broken before I decluttered it, but that is not the perspective that I have anymore. My perspective now is that like, if it doesn't serve me, whether it's like it's old or I just don't want to use it anymore, I'm okay with letting it go. I'm not that strict about my criterion about what I want and do not want to keep. Okay, so we're gonna take these things. These little packing cubes are so good for just like taking your clothes and just like packing it, and it's like you don't even have to like look at that. So good. Oh, dropped some pieces here. Underwear overboard. This is like my old MacBook box. It's really good quality, so I just keep using it for this. Okay. And I already took everything out of the drawers. This boudoir or this drawer is not mine, it's the landlord's. So I've just taken everything out, and that's what it's looking like. It is looking a bit like a hot mess, I'll be honest. It's more junk and small things than I care to admit. I've been doing a lot more like journaling, so I'm going to show you guys. I've been doing a lot more journaling and sketching and drawing, so I guess I have more things now that I gave myself permission to have like hobbies. I have tools, and I have pens, and I have makeup, and I have things, and it's nice, and I don't feel ashamed, and I don't feel bad. I just feel like it enhances my life, and I know it's material possessions, but like I have such a healthier relationship with my stuff now that yeah, it is clutter to I guess aspiring minimalists who think ew, that is way too much stuff. But I have found peace with my stuff, and these things make me happy, these things serve me, so pack it away we shall. So I'm gonna be putting these things inside this box. Although it's a bit maxed out, I'm a little bit worried. In here I also have some of my winter clothes. This is my board. So I have some towels, and these are just like some of my winter clothes. I'm probably gonna take these and put them in the luggage so that I can put all like my smaller things in there. Some of the other pieces I'm just gonna have to carry in the car just like as is, like my yoga mat and my rolling pad. My lamp I'm gonna disassemble, and the drawers the drawers, I've already emptied out the drawers for the most part. I mean, like I still have like small things that I'm still using because obviously I'm still at work. But like, I could lie to you guys and tell you like, look how clean this is, but this is not what my desk normally looks like. Same thing with the top of my desk. It's because it's all over there. So yeah, this is literally all of my possessions. It's a lot, but it's nice, and it makes me happy, and it serves a function, so we're just gonna go with it. So that's what it's looking like. I have taken everything off the hangers. I've just left my gym clothes because I'm going for a run tomorrow, so I'm just gonna grab my sweater and put it on. If you're wondering, this is an Aritzia sweater. It actually used to have the whole Aritzia in the front, and I completely took it off. You can kind of see the parts where it's like I cut it off because I wanted a more minimalistic look. The quality of this is amazing though. I highly recommend Aritzia stuff. My PJs and everything is packed. Oh yeah. Yeah. Amazing. Wondering what I'd like to declutter and let go of? I'll probably let go of some little things from there. I feel like the little things are just like little trinkety stuff. I feel like that can go. And I think other than that, we are good to go. So yeah. Oh, I wanted to show you guys what I ended up decluttering. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's not a lot, so I think it'll be really good. So the first one is these little rabbit ears. They really serve no function. Like, I do use them a lot during Halloween. Put these on and they're like really cute, but like, do I really want to be storing these? Happy Halloween! I don't know, maybe kind of cute. Definitely letting this go. Super worn out. It's my running shirt that I mentioned. This towel for my hair, I don't know, it's like really old and ratty, and some pieces you don't know, whoops, my hair, are like really old till you like put it away and then you see it again and you're like, whoa, that's really ratty. Another one is a random ribbon, which I saved thinking I'm gonna use this when it's like, I'm never gonna use this. And this little gift thingy, the little music box that I got in a PR package. It's so cute and I'm probably gonna give it away, but I just don't see any function for it in my life. I knew at some point I was gonna declutter it, and that time has come. I'm pretty excited. If you guys want, you guys can definitely check out my moving video vlog, which will probably go up sometime around this time, and if not, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.